the Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. It has a 4-liter water tank, powerful mist output, and it lasts up to 40 hours between refills. This humidifier is essential for times like these. With the seemingly unwavering COVID-19 pandemic, quality of air has never been so important because we spend so much of our time at home. This Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Comfort is perfect for any apartment, office, or nursery. Hey everyone, it's your girl Mashinate, aka Rebel by Nature, and I am back with another video. So today, you guys, I'm doing my very first sponsored video. Woo woo! And it's all thanks to you guys for hitting that subscribe button and becoming one of the rebels. So thank you guys so much for continuing to come back. Today's video is sponsored by Everlasting Comfort. So Everlasting Comfort is a company basically dedicated to improving the quality and the comfort of your life. So they sent me this humidifier here in the mail. It has an essential oil tray. This is basically some of the features. It has an essential oil tray. It shuts off automatically after a certain amount of time. It can hold up to 1 gallon of water, and it is filterless, so you don't have to worry about changing filters and buying them and stuff like that. And every one of the humidifiers comes with a 2-year warranty as well. So it is whisper quiet. It has a cool mist that comes from the top of it, and it soothes dry skin. And at the top, it has a 360 dual mist nozzle, so you can control how the mist comes out of it at the top. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'm so excited. Nobody ever gave me nothing, y'all. Take it out of the bag. It has a cord. This is the power button. It has a manual as well, because if you don't know what you're doing, you want to read it. Okay, so with the power button, it changes color depending on the setting. So if it's yellow, that means the mist level is low. If it's blue, it's a medium mist level, or if it's green, it's a high mist level. So you can determine how you want the mist to come out here at the top. And this is where you can control which direction the mist is going as well. And this is where you can see the level of water that you have in your humidifier, so you can keep an eye on it. And also, it has this little tray back here where you can put your essential oils, so that way you can make your home or your office smell however you would like. So we like to use sage and different scents like that to, you know, clarify and purify the air of our home. Each humidifier comes with a 2-year warranty. It's in the back of the manual. All you have to do is scan this little barcode right here, and you can register your device for your 2-year warranty. So if something happens to it within 2 years of you having it, they'll send you a brand new one for absolutely free. And you can't get any better. This is the power button, and like I said before, depending on the color of it determines how much of the mist is going to come out. So for a yellow, this is a low mist. Blue is medium. See, it's more powerful, and it's strong, so I put a lot of essential oil in there. And then the green is the highest. And then here at the top, you can determine which direction the mist is going to blow in.
That shit don't mean nothing to me.
So yeah,
I used to
I'm gonna turn down a little bit before
I know some real kings and some real
there you have it. So make sure you go on over to www.everlastingcomfort.com and get yourself something nice with your 20% off coupon.
Still scaling, just minding my business. I've been had groupies, I've been had haters, I've been had love, I've been had fakers.
Follow me on Instagram at Rebel by Nature and Rebel by Nature Shop. Make sure that you visit my website at www.riverbynation.com and pick up a shirt. Also, tune in to J-Raw Radio on Pandora. That's whose music is in the background. And also stay tuned for my other channel, Rebel Vibes. We'll be posting weekly starting in November. Until next time.
I'm still about that lines then. Just been low key, nigga. Staying out the way, my nigga. Gotta move in silence like a boss do. I'ma show you how a boss do. Gotta get that paperwork, so you can make that paperwork. Since 08, I had my paperwork. I've been making that paperwork.